Hello, welcome to this video of the Volkswagen Golf. This is the 1.6 TDI. It's the tech pack one, and it is also the match model as well. So match meaning it's got the extras like the 4 electric windows, electric mirrors, etc. So let's go straight into the video with the condition. This is also called the BlueMotion. So it's TDI, it's the red eye there as well. So it's the 1.6. I think it's 120 brake horsepower, no, 105 brake horsepower. So it's got the reverse parking sensors, which you can hear beeping away. So it's in very clean condition. Take a look in the fuel cap area. Very clean. Oh, it's good to see. Well, it's low mileage, 60,000 miles. So it's obviously got the rubber string still attached. This is 100% diesel. It is not AdBlue, obviously it's too early. This is 2012, so it's not the AdBlue one. All the tyres, I think the rear tyres are actually really good. And the front ones are brand new, we just fitted those. See it on the invoice. There's no rust on the arches. All the paintwork's in good condition as well, a nice shine to it as well. Brand new brake disc front and rear, so the front ones you can see brand new, and the rear ones are also brand new as well with brand new pads. So brand new disc and pads all round. New front tyres, almost new rear tyres as well. Obviously the cam belt kit and water pump, that's just been changed. There's no rust developed on the arches at all. It's got the lower fog lights, front parking sensors as well. Originally registered by Inchcape Volkswagen Manchester. This is a March 2012 registered. The bonnet's in very good condition for the year. Good shine to the paint as well there. No different colour or different shades of blue, should we say. All very nice and clean. Headlight lenses are nice and clean as well. Alloy wheels are in acceptable condition. On this one, a little bit of a scuff there, very minimal. Obviously, like I said, new front tyres. Windscreen is good, clean. It's also got the rain and light sensor package. So that's the sensor there. The screen is good. Nope, no cracks and no chips. Got the Bosch wipers as well. Wing mirrors nice and clean. The roof is very clean as well. A very clean roof. Just been professionally detailed as well. So this has got no tar spots on the bottom of the doors. It's all been machine polished as well. So a really good shine to the paintwork. It's virtually dent free. I've just spotted one very small one. Just there, in the middle of this camera, just there. A very minor one on that arch there. That is it. All the glass is clean, it's not scratched or anything like that. These A-pillar piano black gloss trims are all shining as well. They're not dull. Quarter panels, all very clean. And the bumper this side, no broken reflectors, they're all intact. And no cracked lights. They're all nice and clean as well. The tailgate's very clean. Rear wash wipe. That's a Bosch as well, look. It's a Bosch. The roof. Right, so go to the boot. Pull that there, so this is the boot, very clean. Excuse the parking sensors. In fact, let me, well, at least they work. Let me just switch that off. Switch them off there, press that button there, and I'll switch that off. So no parking sensors for now. Right, so in here, split fold rear seats. It's also got the through load as well, so you can push that down there. You can stick your fishing rods through there, or your snooker cues, whatever you've got. hockey sticks. Split fold rear seats, 60-40, meaning 40%, 60% split fold, so you can still have the 2 passengers in that seat there if you decide to fold that one down. 12 volt power outlet there for the car boot sails. The standard spare 1 litre of oil as well there, which the VW group recommend you carry with you. Under this here, pull that up, slimline space saving spare wheel, all very clean, even the stickers there as well, so that's got the chassis number, the colour code, etc, all the little codes needed for the car, engine codes, etc, they're all on that sticker there. All the tools are there, the screwdriver, the towing eye itself, the hook, the jack and brace, and the locking wheel nut as well. That's all there. It's all nice and dry down there. It's carpeted, of course. Rear shelf is there as well. All the strings are attached. And this is all nice and clean up here. This area here, it's in reasonable condition. It's not bad at all. It's all nice and clean. Top of the bumper, immaculate there. There's no scratches or scuffs on top of the bumper. Okay, so that's the bike. Let's go to this side. Pull the door open. Let's look under here. That's all nice and clean. Even the door shuts are nice and clean as well. 3 rear headrests, 3 rear seat belts. I'm going to push this up again. That's it. Okay, and then pull that down. So you can open that hatch from that side or the inside, if you know what I mean. So it's got the armrest there, 3 seat belts, 3 rear headrest. The seats are in tidy condition. It's also got the child Isofix anchoring points there, so you can get 2 kiddie seats in the back there. The magazine holders, the back of the seats are very clean. There's nothing ripped or torn. Very clean. We've got some new car mats coming, so you have some new car mats in there. So a new set of car mats in black with a black binding on the edges. All the door shuts are immaculate. You can see electric rear windows. You've got your tweeters in your doors there, and at the bottom there, so it says 2, 4, 6, 8 speaker system, or at least an 8 speaker system. It's also got the reflectors, and they are still there. They're not being kicked off or knocked off over the years, like some of them do. Split fold rear seats, of course. Passengers front, nice and clean. Speaker grill's nice and clean as well, and the door pockets and the door shuts there, nice and clean. And the plastics and that area there, all nice and clean. The front passenger seat's clean as well. It's got the lumbar support for the front passenger seat, and it's also got the height adjustment for the passenger seat. So if you've got a short partner, a spouse, then good news, you don't have to bring the cushion out. So, driver's door, let's look at that, that's all nice and clean. It's got the high gloss piano black trim, 4 electric windows, electric heated mirror as well, central locking button, got the speaker grill there, all the door shuts, nice and clean, all the foot pedals, nice and clean as well, and the carpet's not worn underneath there, it's all there, look, it's not worn, so you have a new carpets, don't forget. And obviously the driver's seat as well has got the height adjustment and the lumbar support as well. All this area is nice and clean, the chassis stickers there, it's not been jet washed off. All this is nice and clean. That area, all the rubber's not worn or anything like that. And the driver's seat is in good condition. Okay, automatic headlights. So automatic light switch there. 2 keys, 2 remote control central locking keys. Step inside. We've got DAB radio, which is very good for a 2012. So you've got DAB radio, so that's a bonus. We've also got, if you put the clutch down, stick it into reverse, we've got optical parking system. So it's got the front and rear parking sensor display. And then obviously media, so we've got the USB as well. So your USB is down here, USB and aux there. You can change that port to adapt to your iPhone or Android as well, so you can buy the ports off eBay. That one's got the USB port, so that's pretty much the best one to have, if I'm being honest. Right, so we've got that, you've got this, you've got obviously phone as well. You can connect your phone to it. It's got Bluetooth, air conditioning, and it works as well. I've tried it earlier. It's ice cold, so the air conditioning works. You've got a cigarette lighter and an ashtray there, and a flap there which works. That goes up and down. Then you've got traction control on and off button there, parking sensors on and off, and you've got your stop start button as well. So stop start button as well there. 5-speed this one. It's 5-speed. You've got your drinks holder there, or coin tray. The sliding shutter door as well. Adjustable steering column there. Steering wheel controls here, obviously volume as well, and then your telephone answering, your voice command, etc. computer, so you can press the buttons to adjust the fuel computer there. So if I press that, you see you can travel time, speed warning, temperature, etc., distance, range, and then you can Bluetooth audio. Next one, pair your phone, service in 9,000 miles, so it's just been serviced yesterday, 365 days, or this morning, sorry, it just came back this morning. You can even do your lights, winter tyres, units, servicing, settings, etc. So it's all there. So let's go back. There we go, like that one. We've got a quarter of a tank of fuel, so it says 110 miles range for a quarter of a tank of fuel, so that's really good. To be fair, I think I ran one of these a few years ago, a black one, on the 13, or no, it's 11 plate. I ran one on 11 plate, and I filled it up, and I swear to God, it said 735 miles to empty. And I think it was something like it can't be more than a 50-litre tank or 60-litre tank. Honestly, I think I filled it up about £65 it cost to fill up, and it said 735 on a run. So phenomenal miles to the gallon. Obviously VW reliability as well. What else have we got here? That's about cruise control as well. So you've got cruise control on the stalk there as well. The last owner has kindly left her magnetic, so it was a lady owner before this. So let's look in the lockable glove box. You can see it's got a lock there as well. We've got the paperwork. We've got the leather booklet and the instruction manuals, etc. all there. The book, the logbook here, which says 3 former keepers in total, and this lady has had it since 2018, so almost 6 years. So this is what we've just had done. So we've had the oil and filter change, front tyres, brake disc and pads all round, so all 4, timing belt, water pump including guides and tensioner, antifreeze, coolant, a new aux belt as well, auxiliary belt as well at the same time, so we replaced all the belts, and then the labour, and that's by our local garage. So all this is a nice neatly. So these are the service invoices. So the service invoice, that's 2024, and the last one was 2023 there in March last year, and it was 56,000 miles, so it's only done 3,300 miles since it was serviced. It had a brand new battery as well, full service, fuel filter, air filter and cabin filter. That's why they've not done it there. They looked at that and they said we don't need to do the filters, so that was done last time, and it's only done 3,500 miles. Then another service here, it also had, for some reason, it had a new clutch kit at 37,000 miles there. And it also had a service there that cost £635, and then we've got some more service history here from the dealer. This is a certificate. Obviously you've got the services here, 6, 13, 19, 24, so that's all there. And the current MOT expires in July, so a few months, 3 months, just over 3 months time. So we're going to put a new MOT on it for the person who buys it. We know it will obviously go through no problem. So we just had all the new tyres, we just had a health check as well. We've got some tyre and repair invoices here as well. All those lots are all tyres. Then we've got car purchase invoices here. So these are invoices from the previous owners that bought it from the VW dealer, all the receipts. So it's all there. We've got 2 keys. We've got the V5, it's HPI clear as well, so it's not been involved in an insurance claim accident at all. It's not had a private plate on it, anything like that. It's HPI clear, no finance outstanding. So yeah, all good. I must say that air conditioning does work as well. It's ice cold. Up here we've got the anti-glare rear view mirror. You can see just there, that's the So you can press that button to switch it on and off. It goes green, so that's the anti-glare. You've got some light switches. You've also got sunglasses holder there. She's took her glasses. So it's got the side airbags as well up here. It's also got the airbags on the side of the seats as well. All the roof line is nice and clean. Right, so I am going to switch the engine off and look under the bonnet. There's a little cubby hole here as well. Yeah, there's a cubby hole here as well. So there's another cubby hole there to keep your change under there. You pull that there for the bonnet. Let's take a look under the bonnet. So 1.6 TDI. Everything's nice and factory, should we say. So no aftermarket air filters, etc. No mad modifications or aftermarket xenon lights added. So it's all original. Obviously new antifreeze has just been fitted or replaced, sorry. Screen wash is top to the fullest as well. So it's been serviced. It's got the sound deadening up here. The edge of the bonnet's very clean. Nothing out of the ordinary at all. Okay, if you've got a part exchange, please let us know the reg number and mileage. We'll give you a quotation of what we can offer you based on the average part exchange guide price, what the Auto Trader website tells us. And then obviously we offer finance as well, so this vehicle can be financed. And it also includes 1 year warranty cover. So this will include a 1 year warranty cover by a reputable warranty company, which we use. And that's nationwide coverage anywhere in the UK, Ireland, even the little islands like Isle of Man and Jersey. Okay, any more questions, please drop us a line, get in touch. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope to see you soon. Thank you.